Hello everyone. The question you might ask is what happened to NovaTech FX? I believe you know by now that the company called NovaTech FX experienced legal troubles worldwide, receiving orders to stop operations and financial penalties. Back in the summer of 2022, I did a research on NovaTech FX. It was one of those companies that promised high returns in a short period. I recall watching a video featuring three elderly men discussing their investments and alleged profits, but their only goal was to recruit more people. Since I had a personal experience with an MLM company, I could sense the vibe and the hidden agenda behind their talks. So I began to dig deeper. Eventually, I found out that there was no point in investing with Novatech, as it turned out to be another MLM scam or a Ponzi scheme. So let me summarize just a few legal actions regarding the NovaTech FX. In September 2023, the Capital Markets Tribunal had a hearing. The Ontario Securities Commission staff presented their case against Novatech Ltd and Cynthia Petion. Surprisingly, no one represented the respondents. The tribunal ordered further actions with the next hearing scheduled for November 27, 2023. Fast forward to October 2027, the Securities Division of Washington's Department of Financial Institutions issued a cease and desist order. Novatech Ltd, operating from Florida, and its owners, Cynthia and Eddie Petion, were accused of running an MLM trading bot Ponzi scheme. The government told them to stop their activities related to securities fraud. If they don't stop, they could face more serious consequences. Now let's check what happened in Australia. February 2024 brought more trouble for Novatech. Novatech FX appeared to be providing financial services to Australians without the necessary licenses from ASIC, the Australian Financial Regulatory Body. February also saw the Ontario Securities Commission issue a temporary cease trade order against Novatech Ltd. They are not registered for trading, and there are suspicions of violating securities law, including unregistered trading. Let me summarize what just happened. Between 2022 and 2024, Novatech faced serious trouble worldwide. Numerous countries and regions took strong action. For example, Russia, South Africa, Estonia, Nigeria, St. Vincent and Grenadines, British Virgin Islands, various Canadian provinces like Alberta, British Columbia, Ontario, Saskatchewan, and US states, California, Wisconsin, Washington, and Australia as well. Novatech, along with Cynthia Petion and Eddie Petion, received cease and desist letters and hefty fines for a range of charges, from fraud to violating securities laws. What's striking is that even with all these legal issues, Novatech's crew didn't back down. Despite fines and official orders, they kept running their deceptive game. They use now new domain called NovaTech-FX.com. What they say is their website was apparently down due to a database breach. Well, yeah, of course, sure. This whole situation shows how regulators are finding it tough to handle financial issues, especially in the world of digital investments. It's like they're facing a big challenge. Nevertheless, it would be advisable to steer clear of any platform that might be created by Cynthia and her husband. I hope the information I've just covered is enough to convince you to stay away from NovatechFX.com or any other similar platforms they might use. If you have questions or comments, please let me know. Hopefully you find this helpful. Thank you. Have a good one and bye-bye.